File in this Friday, November 9, 2018. File photo trader Michael Urkanis. Works with specialists John McNear, Center, and Douglas Johnson on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on Wednesday, in November. 21 AP Photo, Richard Drew. File, New York, AP. The latest on developments in financial markets, all times local, 4 p.m. U.S. Stocks finished mostly higher, a break after 2 days of steep losses. Technology and internet companies and retailers. New York, AP. The latest on developments in financial markets, all times local, 4 p.m. U.S. Stocks finished mostly higher, a break after 2 days of steep losses. Technology and internet companies and retailers were responsible for most of the gains Wednesday. Amazon and Microsoft each rose 1.4%. Foot Locker soared 14.9% after turning in solid quarterly results. Software maker Autodesk climbed 9.7%. Crude oil prices climbed 2.2% a day after sinking to their lowest level in a year. Safe play stocks like utilities lagged the market. Yes. The Nasdaq Composite rose 63 points, or 0.9%, to 6,972. Bond prices fell. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 3.06%. _____ 11:45 a.m. Stocks are clawing higher on Wall Street following 2 days of steep losses that wiped out the market's gains for the year. Major technology companies including Apple and Microsoft rose Wednesday, and crude oil prices climbed 3.8% a day after sinking to their lowest level in a year. Foot Locker soared 15.2% after turning in solid quarterly results. Software maker Autodesk climbed 8.7%. Safe play stocks like utilities lagged the market. Yes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 136 points, or 0.6%, to 24,604. The Nasdaq Composite rose 105 points, or 1.5%, to 7,015. Bond prices fell. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 3.08%. _____ 9:35 a.m. Stocks are opening higher on Wall Street as big technology companies like Apple claw back some of the ground they lost in a rout over the past 2 days. Apple rose 1.5% in early trading Wednesday and Amazon recovered 3%. Both are still down sharply from the highs they reached earlier in the fall. Foot Locker soared 16.6% after turning in solid quarterly results. Safe play stocks like utilities lagged the market. Yes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 119 points, or 0.5%, to 24,585. The Nasdaq Composite rose 80 points, or 1.1%, to 6,988. Bond prices fell. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 3.07%. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.